over Kenya as late as 2010 to four-wheel drive Prados. KTDC's image was very poor. The public that we served did not know who we were or what we do. The board of KTDC decided that it was about time that we changed our image and rebranded the corporation. We're not only changing the colors of our logo and giving our walls upstairs a fresh coat of paint. This corporation is turning around. Our net operating profits have increased by 300% after tax and provisions for bad debt from 2008-2009 to the latest forecasts for the financial year 2011-2012. Our overall objective is to appropriately position KTDC to provide a new brand experience that can be exploited to enhance stakeholder experience and ultimately attain our mandate of financing and advising the tourism sector. We do intend to syndicate with commercial banks to finance the demand for funding the sector, as the Cabinet has now approved the privatization of 3 of the KTDC's mature assets, whose proceeds will go a long way in strengthening our balance sheet. As we speak, KTDC has a pending lending demand in applications of over Kenya shillings 1 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, the demand for financing the tourism sector is huge. As visitor numbers to Kenya increase the undercapacity of beds. This figure stood at 25,000 undercapacity in 2011. There's potential for further investment in several unexploited areas in Kenya that are endowed with tourist attractions in Lake Turkana, Nyanza, northeastern Kenya, central and eastern Kenya, and the Tana River Basin. There's also potential for investment in 2 to 3 star categories of hotels for business travelers, be they international, regional, or local. This area is actually wholly unexploited in Kenya. We cannot emphasize enough that the older hotel properties in Kenya need to upscale their standards in order for Kenya as a destination to become more globally competitive. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to say that our new logo is not just a change of sign, but a sign of change. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to KTDC, and thank you. It's now my pleasure to welcome my chairman of the board of KTDC, Mohammed Shire, to make his remarks.
It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this launch of the new identity, which will inevitably set Kenya Tourism Development Corporation as the country's tourism industry on the road to a new, brighter and more prosperous future. Let me begin by extending my heartiest congratulations to the management and staff of KTDC for successfully walking the long road that has brought us to this point.